Hello everyone, this is a video tutorial on how to track time using Hubstaff. In this video, we're going to cover setting up your account, tracking time, and reviewing timesheets along with other useful features. Hubstaff is a platform that allows you to monitor your work hours as well as that of your team members. If you need an easy way to track your work hours, this tutorial will show you how to get started with Hubstaff and make the most of its time tracking features. First, go to hubstaff.com. Then you'll be required to create an account using your email. To create your account, you need your first name, last name, work email, and you'll have to create a password. After filling in your details, you'll have to agree to the terms and then create your account. Once you do that, a verification email will be sent to the email filled in. So you'll have to go to your email and confirm. Now it's time to confirm your account. The next step is to create your organization. Alright, so for this video, we can go with Lauren's organization. Then if your organization has a website, you can easily just type it in here. Then you have the option of connecting to Slack, connecting to Microsoft, or connecting to Google. You could also choose to invite members via email. You can type in the person's email and even assign them a role. If you need them to just work on tasks and track time, you could assign them the role of a user. But if they need additional permissions like overseeing activities, managing projects, then you can assign them the role of a manager. So we'll just get started. Brilliant, now we're in. And you've got different plans here. There's the starter plan, grow plan, team plan, and enterprise plan. As always, you need to choose a plan based on your needs. Or you could go down here and pick a plan later. There's an option for that. So you could come down here, pick a plan later, and then choose a plan before your 14-day trial ends. So let's do this. Excellent, now we're signed in. So this is what it's going to look like once you're signed in. Here you've got different sections. In this first section, you can review your team's activity. It lets you subscribe to a report. This means you can get automatic updates on team activity. You can review team insights. This lets you check work patterns and productivity. And you can approve timesheets by confirming the hours your team worked. This second section helps you keep things organized. Get organized lets you set things up for your team. You can create projects by keeping the work organized and assigning tasks to different projects. You can also create to-dos by listing specific tasks for your team to complete. Then manage team lets you invite team members to start trying Hubstaff. You can create teams and invite members. Down here, time and activity helps you track how much time your team members work and how active they are. Accounts owed helps you calculate how much money hourly workers need to be paid. And daily totals just gives you a daily summary of work hours, activity, and earnings. Here on your navigation panel, you've got your dashboard. This gives you a summary of everything happening in your workspace. Timesheets lets you see the hours worked by your team members and allows you to edit and approve time entries. Activity helps you track how active your users are while working. Insights shows you highlights, performance, unusual activity, smart notifications. Then Locations uses the GPS tracking feature and helps you monitor where your employees are working from. Project Management allows you to organize tasks and projects. Calendar shows you your work schedule as well as scheduled shifts. Reports generates detailed reports on time tracking, payroll, invoicing, productivity. And People manages team members. Financials has to do with payment and invoices, and then you've got your settings. The next thing we're going to learn is how to track a project or how to track time on a specific project. So to do that, you've got to go to project management. So once you do that, you'll be shown the different projects. These are already existing projects. So you could choose to import projects or even add a new one. But let's choose an already existing project. Let's go with Lauren's organization project. Excellent. So now we've got the project here. You can, this is where you have your members, your team members. You have their names here and their roles. As mentioned earlier, they could have different roles, and different roles have different permissions. Of course, the manager role has more permissions. Yeah. And you can even edit the members here. You may also choose to edit the pay rate or bill rate here. Now that you've created the project, it's time to track it. You can come here, right here, you can see a timer symbol. You click the timer symbol, then you've got the option of selecting a project. So here you see your list of projects. So you can see Lauren's project. You can add a to-do, and you can create a new one, or if you've got one already, you can add it. Yeah. To record screenshots, you need to download and use the app. You can click here to download the app. So we're gonna start the timer now. So that's how you start it, and if you'd like to end it, click here. Click on stop, and then it stops recording. The next feature we'll be talking about is the timesheets feature. This feature helps you review, edit, and manage tracked time. So as you can see here, you may choose to look at it from the daily view, the weekly view, or the calendar view, which of course is the monthly view. So it just gives you a summary of your tracked time. You can see activity, idle time, the time that was typed in manually, the duration, and then the time. So this is what it looks like. Now, let's look at reports, which gives you a detailed view of your tracked time. Great, so now we can see time and activity. This helps you see team members' worked time, activity levels, and amounts earned per project or to-do. Amounts owed helps you see how much the hourly paid team members are currently owed. In daily totals, you can see members' time worked, activity levels, and amount earned per days. So let's click on this, click on time and activity. So this is the project we're on, Lauren's organization project. Okay, so you can see everything here. Yeah, total hours worked per day. Yeah, all the information you need. Now for amounts owed, let's still look at the same project. Great. So now we can see total amount per day and everything that's needed. The last thing we're going to look at is the daily totals, which shows the total hours tracked for each day. Great, so in this video tutorial, you've been able to learn how to set up an account, create a project, track time, look at timesheets, and even reports. We hope that with these clear instructions, you'll be able to use Hubstaff to track time. Thank you for watching.